Condos, bringing to you
a pottery class.
Another stupid thing, because we're bored. The Arts and Crafts Mum of the Year is making us
pots.
And
then maybe in the next video we can buy potty mix and a plant. And like, put plants in them. What do you reckon?
I don't know, but we're making pots from home. This is a pottery class, guys. And
yeah.
I'm, again, being forced to make some stupid shit in isolation.
This is called a sanity kit, and it just clicked because I thought it meant for sanity. I'm like, why is a pottery place like telling you to have clean hands? But sanity, like in the mind.
I think there's a lot of play on words here. Because these are like tea bags, right?
Yeah.
And it says sanity kit.
Like the tea bags are the colour. So basically,
to keep you sane in isolation, let's go. 3
pots in the end. They're going to be 2 little round ones like this, and then 1 big one like this. But I'm going to do them one at a time today because I don't have that many hands, and it's the first time I'm making a pot, so I don't want to stuff up. So these are the mixing cups. This is the potty mix. This is the lid that we're going to mix the colours into. So I'm going to do one at a time. I'm probably only going to film one small one and one big one because you don't need to see me do the other small one. So I'm going to fill water up to the green line.
Okay, go.
Is that to the green line?
Mate, that was the most ridiculous pour I've ever seen. Did everyone see that? Did I capture that? Wait, where are you?
Is that a third? Full?
What's the instruction?
It said fill the lid with a third of water. I don't know what a third is.
Well, fill it with the third. That looks about a third.
Or a bit more. Is that a third?
Yeah, that'll do it.
Okay.
Then what?
Now I have to dip the tea back. Should we start with blue?
Okay, let's start with blue.
I feel like...
So this is the colour of the pot, right?
Yeah.
Great.
Why did they only give me 2 tea bags?
Just do it.
Okay, so... Oh. Wow, and they said keep dipping for a really nice colour.
Wow.
Wow.
What are you doing with that?
I'm going to smear some of the paint into here. So then when we put...
You've got paint all over your hands now.
That's right.
Oh my god. Oh dear.
So then when we put the mix in, it's going to have that nice like blue effect.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Next. So what's that, flour?
No, it's potty mix.
Potty mix?
Or pot mix. Like, oh fuck me. My back, I hurt my back, guys. I keep like hurting it.
Wait, you got a real potty mouth.
About a quarter at a time, mix a special mix, into the mixing cup filled with water. All the mixing will go into the mixing cup, stir until...
Where did you learn to read? Jesus. Okay, pour it in. All of it?
Quarter at a time.
Quick. Is this gonna go hard? Oh. Go.
Consistency.
Wow, guys, look. All of that is now in here.
Okay, so now I'm gonna...
Oh, it's like creamy.
Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of blue, but like swirl it in.
That's not a swirl. Oh, that's a swirl. Go in.
Yeah, but I don't want it to change the colour. You just lightly. That's all I want.
Is that it?
Yeah.
So what do we do with the rest of that? Nothing.
You reckon more swirl?
I don't know.
I just
put a little bit. Okay, maybe not.
Maybe like another drop. I just want it to be blue.
Oh, you stuffed it.
What?
So there's a clock timer. Apparently you have 10 minutes before this thing hardens.
Okay.
Quick, what's next stuff? Quick.
Okay.
Here we go.
Steps for the little ones, don't fill above the green line. Okay.
Go. Where are you filling this to?
To the green line.
To the green line. Go. Go. Good job.
More, like so.
Wow. Good job. Now what?
Okay.
Drop it, lock it, guys. This is step 7.
This is step 7. Okay. Drop it, lock it.
Wait, is it meant to be that one or the other ones?
No.
That one?
Yeah.
Okay, round. Go.
Where's the other round? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're right.
God, I was going to say, you almost screwed that up so bad.
Okay.
Go.
Oh my god. Okay, into the outer mold, push all the way until the cups are stacked. Make sure the inner pot is stacked tight on top with no gaps.
Okay,
your
calm
mix
down.
should
Go,
overflow.
Push it in. Whoa. Push harder. Your mix should overflow to the tape?
Shouldn't overflow.
Keep going, harder. Okay, stop.
Okay, now we need tape.
Tape? Where am I going to get tape from?
Don't blame me. You came across
That ruined
and
it.
put it.
She ruined
No,
it.
Nick
She put
came
too much out.
No, I didn't.
Yes, she did. Now it's ruined.
It's not. How is it ruined? It doesn't matter.
It's ruined. So while Zaf finishes off the second and third pot, should we go find Georgie? I think we should. Oi! Are you right screaming like that? Hey, fatty! And he just started crying because I had left. I stirred him up and then left, and now he's crying, and now his grandfather is not very happy with me, but you know what? I don't care because he's my son.
Oh my
So I've just done a second one, but I lost focus and wasn't watching, so I'm not sure how that one turned out. Let's see.
I think a lot better than the first one.
You reckon? She did it. We have our third pot.
After 34 minutes.
So how long?
30 to 40 minutes at 4 o'clock.
Okay. See you guys in 30 to 40 minutes. It's
Yeah.
been 40 minutes.
We have to take this off from the inside.
So what have you done?
And they said that this easily slips off, but it doesn't easily slip off. And then we have to cut 2 slits in the outside plastic to get it off.
Can I just make everyone aware of this one though? I think it's pretty funny because look at this. And it's still got water in it. I think you screwed up that one, love.
No, it might have worked.
What are you doing?
out. I'm trying to get the inside cup out.
Do you want to give it to me? Let me do it. Let me do it.
Oh, they said always hold the bottom of the pot so you don't break your pot. And to get the outside plastic, you're going to have to cut 2 slits.
To get the outside
Plastic off. It said cut like 2 slits on each side.
But how did you get this off?
I ripped it. You meant to just pull the inner one out. You meant to just pull it out, the inner one. You're not meant to cut that one. That's what the instructions say.
So why did you all cut?
Because I ripped it. I didn't use scissors to do that. Hero, you got it out. Now you got to cut 2. Is those scissors sharp enough?
I don't know, we'll find out.
It said 2 slits and then peel it off. Did you cut my pot?
No.
Yeah, then you just peel on off. You're very strong. Be careful. And she said when you peel it off, hold the bottom of the pot.
Strong.
Hold the bottom of my pot because that's my good pot. Don't put pressure on the top because you'll break it, she said.
Who is she? Who are you talking to? Who is she?
Maybe cut the slit deeper so you don't have to pull so much.
Maybe you should. Shush. You did it! Wow! Look how nice it is. Good job, Zafi. That's really nice and smooth.
Yay. Nick, no. Don't, because I got to Instagram it for them. I've got to Instagram
I'll blow it up.
Nick, I have to Instagram it for them.
I'll blow it up.
Water. There was too much water. So just undo it.
I
Cause look.
told you put too much water in.
Oh, well, it doesn't matter. Undo it.
How?
I don't know. Do what you've been doing on the other techniques.
The technique. I'm not some pot person.
Oh, no. Not on my pink. Not on the pink. Not on the pink. I'm excited to see. Yeah, there you go. You just let all the water out. Like so. This is how you guys make pots. Potty pot pot.
This one's hot. Like I can feel it.
Yeah, they were all hot. They're meant to be hot.
I'm sick of doing this stuff. I have things to do.
But we're in isolation. What could you possibly be doing? So this one didn't quite work out. Maybe we can do an abstract. I think we should have left this one a bit longer.
I refuse to clean this.
It wasn't ready.
I refuse.
Cheers! You can drink this.
Okay, what are you doing with that nail file?
I'm filing my pot. See, before it
Why?
see how it's looking more even?
No,
Like I
guys,
had to...
do you reckon that's even?
No, I'm kidding. It's getting there. It's getting there. It takes a lot of effort.
That's even Steven right there.
It takes a lot of effort.
Okay, well done. Can we see your 2 pots together?
This pot, I really got super even. So I've just got to get
What are we
the
going
other
to
one.
fill them with?
Love?
Love?
I don't know.
Can we fill them with Georgii?
We...
There's nothing in them.
Pew, pew, pew.
There's some plants over there. Let's put
Pew,
some
pew,
plants in it.
pew.
Are you serious? Are you serious right now?
Oh no. Hold on.
Oh my god. Put these in there. There you go. Perfect. Meanwhile, the creepiest gnome you'll ever see. Georgie, look at the camera. Georgie. Georgie. Hey. Can you look in the camera and say catch you later? Oh!
Oh, catch you later,
Woo!